Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're new here, thank you for coming and giving me a look. And if you're returning, as always, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. This is gonna be my last video of 2019, and I was thinking like, oh, what should I do? Should I make it a big thing? Should I just go about business as usual? And I decided to do a mixture of the two. I can't think of anything grand or, you know, momentous to like end this year off on. So I'm just gonna do another makeup look. But today is gonna be a day of redemption. See? I've done a lot of makeup looks on my channel. With that being said, some of my looks have been how can I say this? Different. I stand by them. I fully stand by them. Some of them, as I was shooting them, it was decent, and then as I was editing the video, I was like, yeah, you know, but I stand by it. Sometimes I just, you know, when I'm feeling like I'm just mentally drained or close to like going in a downward spiral, I just whip out my makeup and play with it. Primarily my green face makeup, that was it was a really long week, and that day was a really long day at the end of a really long week, and your girl was feeling some type of way. And playing with makeup has always been a calming experience for me, so I decided why not just get on camera and do it. And I just had this weird idea. Yeah, that was the end result of that. Is it embarrassing? Slightly, a little, largely, kind of, definitely. But I stand by it because I feel like, you know, a year or two I'll look back on it and just, you know, laugh and smile, you know. But despite all that, there has been one look where I absolutely hated it. Well, I didn't hate it at the time, like as I was filming it, and as I was editing it, I was like, okay, it looks alright, it looks decent. But the other day, I was going through my channel, and I came across the thumbnail of it, and I was like, did that always look that bad? And then I watched it. Anybody, well, I'm just gonna speak for myself. I'm not gonna speak for everybody. Myself, once I film a video, once it's edited, once it's up, I spend so much time editing my videos. You probably don't think so, but I do. By the time it's up, I really don't want to see it ever again. I'm over it at that point. I'm done with it. I don't go back and rewatch my videos. But that makeup look, I guess at the time, because I was so tired, I probably deluded myself into thinking that it was okay. But looking back, I'm just like, why didn't nobody tell me that eye look was trash? Y'all trying to be nice to me? Like, oh my god, it's so bad. It's so bad. And it's not okay. Well, it's not bad, but I can do better. And I'm here to prove it to you. And that's what this video is about, so that's what we finna get into. I've already done my base. Let me move this closer. Everything's done except for my eyes. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. I don't know what was going on with me that day. I'm gonna try to recreate the look, but better using this palette, my new palette that I got from ColourPop. Let me show y'all. It is the perfect palette to recreate that look. What was I using in that video? I was using, I think, a combination of 2 different palettes. We're gonna try to do what I can. Hopefully it works out. I'm gonna dip into another palette for a nice, perfect. I'm gonna use this color in the Honey palette from ColourPop. I'm gonna use Buzzkill. It's a nice transition color. I'm hoping this turns out great, because how crappy would that be if I build it up to be like this big redemption and it just turns out awful? That would be scandalous. But honestly, it would fit my channel's aesthetic because I am just a whole mess. I think I'm seriously considering renaming this channel Tiffany's Shenanigans, because that's what it is at this point. It's just me just doing things without proper planning and just seeing what happens. Ugh. So in my last video, I think I went for something more like this, a really bright shimmer. Even though I want to go with this, but to stay true to what I did in the last video, I'm gonna go with that. It's so pretty. Ooh. I don't know why I'm always shocked. ColourPop very rarely disappoints me. That is really pretty. Wow. Let me stop before I mess it up. Holy crap, that is really pretty. Pretty sure my last video, the black was going all the way up here to my dang eyebrow. Now my second least favorite step, some liner. Both wings done. Let's not overanalyze them now. Really? I don't like putting on lashes. I think I'll try my Anastasia lashes today. I haven't tried them yet. Oh, wow. She dramatic. Alright, let's get the other one. I really like that. That's really nice. This is way more dramatic than what I'm used to and or comfortable with, but like, look how long that is. That's crazy. But I ain't mad at it. Oh, my lips. I almost put on my lips. I feel like this doesn't really go with the eye look, but whatever. So this is the end look. What do you guys think? I think this is redemption served. A+ work on my part, okay? I feel like this is much better. The last video, my eyeshadow was all the way up here to my eyebrow damn near. It wasn't blended right. It looked crazy. But you know, we have a much more cohesive, nice, pretty look. And this just makes me feel so much better because knowing that I have that on my freaking channel just aggravates my soul and aggravates my mind. And this makes me feel so much better. To end this off on a good note, my last video of 2019, I want to thank all my supporters, all the people who watch me. Leave a like and comment. It really does help me, and it gives me like a boost of like, okay, I'm doing something right, I'm doing okay, you know, when you guys come around. So far my journey on YouTube has been amazing. It's been so much fun, and I've discovered so much about myself, and it's been a wild ride. I hope you guys stick with me well into 2020. I hope next year brings you and me, us, many great things to come. All right, I'm gonna end it on that note. I hope you guys have a happy New Year's Eve and a happy New Year. Let's make this the best one yet, y'all, okay? That's it from me today. So until next time, or until next year. Bye. My dad would be proud of that joke, just so you know.